In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Riot account if you forgot your username or password, played on mobile, or haven't logged in for a while. If you're locked out or returning after a break, don't worry. We'll get you back in quickly and safely. Start by opening your preferred search engine and typing Riot Account Recovery. From the results, click the official Riot Recovery page. To make sure you're in the right place, look for the official domain and the secure padlock icon in your browser. On the recovery page, you'll see 4 clear options. The first is for players who haven't played in a while. League of Legends accounts are now Riot accounts, so you may need to update your old login. Choose this if you're returning after a long break and the site tells you your account needs an update. You'll be guided to confirm your details and transition to a Riot account so you can use one login across all Riot games. The second option is for when you've forgotten your username. Select it, and you'll be asked for information like the email address linked to your account and your region. Riot will send your username to that email if it matches their records. Keep an eye on your inbox and your spam or junk folder in case the message is filtered. The third option is for a forgotten password. Click that, enter your username or the email associated with the account, and follow the password reset link that arrives by email. When creating a new password, make it strong and unique, and only enter it on the official Riot site. Never share it through messages or third-party forms. The last option is for players who've been playing on mobile. Choose this if you started on mobile and need to recover or link your progress. The page will walk you through signing into or creating a Riot account so your mobile data stays tied to the correct profile. Follow the prompts carefully and use the same email you used when you first played. Whichever option fits your situation, simply select it and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm details like your email, region, or a verification code to prove ownership. If you don't see an expected email, wait a few minutes and refresh, then check other folders. Also, make sure you're selecting the correct region, as that can affect account lookup. Once you complete the steps, sign in with your updated credentials and you should be all set. If anything doesn't match or you run into errors, use the help link on that same page to get additional guidance from Riot.